Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag on Roblox. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just go to Roblox and open any server. For example, this server that I'm in right now is for GTA 5. As you can see, it's a high quality server, but there is no lag, and I'm gonna show you how I fixed the lag easily and fast. First thing you have to do is go to the top corner, click right here, and then click on the settings, and then scroll down and make the graphics mode manual and the graphics quality as lower as possible. And if it works, congratulations. If it's not, all what you have to do then is go back to your home phone page like this, and then go to the Play Store and search for this app right here. It's called Game Booster, and download it, and it's gonna boost your Roblox. See you later. Thank you so much.